morning, Bay. Right now, let me tell you, this is a COVID shelter in place, day number 137. We are keeping track of all this, Bilajan. It's day number 137. If at all, if you're wondering why you're keeping track of it, yeah, why not? Why not? You know, we got to appreciate all the good things in life. At the same time, also recognize what sometimes is troubling to us as well, right, Faltwani?
Right.
And of course, Bilajan, sheltering in place, chalu hai. Schools are going to reopen in another 2 weeks. There have been directives given out saying that all the schools are going to be pretty much, not all the schools, some of the counties actually are saying the schools are going to be totally remote. We'll talk more about that. We did promise you that we're going to bring on the people from the school board. If you have any questions, you can actually have a forum with them on air. वो सब आएगा आपके लिए बेटा. In the meanwhile, whatever news we share with you guys on air, we'll definitely put it up on news blog media mahima.com. A quick look at what's happening on the roads. Well, Bajan, you don't have to worry about roads. Actually, are still in the mode of the sheltering in place. So let's just see. ये जो sheltering in place का चालू हो रहा है. Oh my goodness, there you go. देखते हैं अभी इसका what's on the roads with रास्ते का हाल एकदम total sustenance.
It's time for the Bandu traffic update. Call us from wherever you are at 408-912-2479.
Alright, but just if you don't miss out any of these things, you can give us a call here and share with us for sure. That's what we tell you guys. I told you no incidents report except for something happening on the San Mateo Bridge, Belgium. The high wind advisory on 92. In fact, 92 ही नहीं, almost all the bridges, even towards the Bay Bridge, there I'll see a report of Golden Gate Bridge के पास भी also report of high winds there, so watch out for that. In fact, Golden Gate Bridge also is reporting of fog in that region. You see, it's kind of cloudy here already, right? So, but it's kind of cloudy there as well. So watch out for that today. It's going to be, the skies are going to be clearing up, so it's a positive news for everybody out there. But again, it could be kind of, overcast for some time, but probably afternoon tak, it'll become like, we'll be in the upper 80s. So 81 kareeb hoga. So watch out for that. Saturday is going to be a cloudy day, and Sunday also going to be cloudy. So if you're planning on one of those walks, it's a wonderful thing because outdoor activities are encouraged, as you know, during the shelter in place. Yeah,
Right.
but maintain physical distancing for sure, Balajan. And right now, Gane Kida pe jayenge and we'll come back with our news. What felt Rani?
Yes.
And a quick Gane Kida for you guys from the movie Bahare Fir Bhi Aayengi. Telling you guys that yes, whatever tough times we're going through right now, Bahare Fir Bhi Aayengi.
खाली बहारें फिर भी आती हैं बहारें फिर भी आएंगी बदल जाए गरमाली चमन होता नहीं खाली बहारें फिर भी आती हैं बहारें फिर भी आएंगी बदल जाए अगर माली चमन होता नहीं खाली थकन कैसी घुटन कैसी चल अपनी धुन में दीवाने थकन कैसी घुटन कैसी चल अपनी धुन में दीवाने खिला ले फूल कांटों में सजा ले अपने वीराने खिला ले फूल कांटों में सजा ले अपने वीराने हवाएं आग भड़काएं फजाएं जहर बरसाएं बहारें फिर भी आती हैं बहारें फिर भी आएंगी बदल जाए अगर माली चमन होता नहीं खाली
Barja, what a wonderful message for everybody out there. Bahare फिर भी आएंगे Barjan. Just hang in there is what it's saying. And ऐसे ही आपको अच्छे अच्छे गाने गाने के कीड़े के तौर पे आपको मिलेंगे यहाँ पे on Good Morning Barjan every day Monday through Friday. हाँ okay fine stop complaining कुछ दिन हम नहीं आए तो क्या हुआ I know people actually have really comments right of us already.
Yeah,
I
कहाँ थे
understand.
तुम लोग?
मतलब not that way. I'm just saying, people, I can read your minds, but Yes, अगर आप सुन रहे हैं तो मुझे मालूम है क्या सोच रहे हैं आप लोग.
हाँ.
But don't worry, हम हैं ना. कब हम भी फिर भी आएंगे. Well, right now, let me tell you, it's time for us to go take a look at what's happening with news. And news, मतलब what do we share with you guys? Going to be brief पर जाएं. लेकिन ये जो भी हम लोग आपको साथ share करने वाले हैं, we actually have a news blog called Media Mahima, a totally independent blog, which where we actually filter out some of the news for you guys. We try to pick the pertinent news which can actually come in handy for us when we actually having this conversation with our neighbors, across the fence when we are watering the plants, probably. I don't know what you guys do, but that's how I actually make friends. Now I make friends when I make not friends. I make small talk with a neighborhood by taking my dogs for a walk.
Oh my God.
And it always, I don't know why, Father, it always starts with a conversation like, oh, who's taking whom for a walk? They ask me.
Oh wow.
Because my dogs take me for a walk.
Yes, you should actually see Banjan. I thought Altu was completely in charge, and then one day I was like
Impossible. I
driving
can
up,
never be
and
in
he
charge
didn't
of
know
that.
I was looking, and then you should see the dogs are going, and Altu
Yeah.
going.
So I feel like one of those medieval landlords
Huh.
who actually have those charioteers pulled by horses. Only thing, I don't have the chariot, I don't have the wheels, and I don't have horses.
Oh God.
Literally. Anyways, God bless them, and it's a good conversation starter anyways.
Huh,
Right?
huh.
So, Faltwani,
All right.
let me ask you, what's news today?
Well, Altu Baba, we already have the second hurricane in the Atlantic season.
Oh my God.
Hurricane Isaias likely will spend the weekend dumping rain in parts of the Caribbean and also in Florida. But if you want to find out more about that, we will try to share a news story on MediaMahima.com. Coronavirus, some people who have never had the coronavirus may still have some immunity to it, which could reduce the severity of an infection. How? A new study has found that individuals who showed some immunity to T cells that were reactive, possibly from exposure to other strains of the coronavirus. Remember that the current strain is only one of many strains. Now, scientists want to know more about the role that these T cells are playing in fighting the disease. Another study about the presence of genetic material from the virus in children has raised questions about whether young kids are more likely to transmit it. That's not exactly encouraging news, with many children in the US headed back to school soon. One of the 15 biggest school districts in the country, 10 will begin the school year with online learning only. You'll find out more about that shortly. Election 2020, President Trump actually floated the idea of postponing the presidential election.
Didn't
in
I actually?
November.
I don't want to say that. I don't want to be the person who says he will do something on that.
Yeah, prompting swift and unequivocal pushback from both sides of the aisle. Trump criticized mail-in voting in a tweet and said, "Delay the election until people can properly, safely, and securely vote." The bottom line is he doesn't have the authority to do that.
Well, actually, no, President, the way they have made it right now, the way it's come up, he has a lot of power. He has Secret Service at his disposal.
Right.
He has FBI at his disposal.
But it's Congress who makes that decision.
No.
It's not just him. Yes.
He has armed
the-
forces at his disposal.
No, it doesn't matter. Armed forces is just one. That's part of the executive. It's not the Congress. The three branches are the executive, the legislature, and the judiciary. And you still have the other. Hopefully, the judiciary is still going to be one of the checks and balances in place, and that he hasn't influenced it so much that they will side with him.
Hopefully.
The bottom line that I told you is that he really doesn't have the authority to do that. And GOP leaders like the Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell, House GOP Leader Kevin McCarthy, and Texas Republican Senator Ted Cruz made it clear that the election has never been delayed and it should not be delayed. More on that you will find out on MediaMahima.com. Some news from India is that scheduled international flights will be suspended till August 31st.
No, really?
Yes.
The bubble they were going to create has been suspended?
Yes, and the government has also said that some travel bubbles will take place with US, Germany and France. In the coming days, more countries like UK, Canada could also have these bubbles, with India allowing people as per government norms to travel to and from there. You can find out more about that on MediaMahima.com. We will share this particular news story over there. And of course, yesterday night at Portland, was the first night without tear gas against the protesters as the feds began to withdraw. And Anthony Fauci has resisted the Republican effort to turn his testimony against the protesters, because he says that, because of the spread, these protests, they've been trying to say that these people are the ones who are spreading the coronavirus, the protesters, and they're trying to use Fauci's statement, and he's resisting it.
Fauci is really I think that guy is he's like a, what do you call that? Pataka. He's like the blast in a big small pataka. I think he's the only one who's taking on Trump, head on.
Huh.
That's interesting.
That's true. And of course, the relief packages, 3 programs are set to expire. What are those 3 packages, especially with regard to the coronavirus aid, Bandhujan? You will find out. It'll expire today. So if you want to find out more about that $600 benefit that's going to end today and everything else, you can go to mediamahima.com. That's all we have for you on this morning's Good Morning Bay. We'll see you tonight live at 5 on the Pam Pam Show. Bandhujan, tab tak ke liye hame ijazat dijiye. Have yourselves a wonderful, fantastic Friday. Happy Varmahalakshmi and also Eid Mubarak to all our bandhus celebrating.
अगर माली चमन होता नहीं खाली बहारें फिर भी आती हैं बहारें फिर भी आएंगी बदल जाए अगर माली चमन होता नहीं खाली बहारें